faith, pride, and tradition. Ladies and gentlemen, for our grand finale, let us welcome back all our winners of Pasigarbo sa Sugbo Festival 2023. Mabuhi ka, Sugbo! Mabuhi, kitang tanang Sugbuanon! Together with all the other officials of Cebu in action. Cebu, Gobernador Erwin Garcia, the Vice Governor Hilario Davide Jr. For the third, our provincial board members, our congressmen, all capital department heads and consultants, thank you very much.
To our host, LGU, the Municipality of Dumanjug, the home of the governors. Special thanks to Mayor Gudgud Hika, Vice Mayor Wado Hika, all municipal councilors, the Municipal Tourism Office, headed by Municipal Tourism Officer Jofre Pascolado and his staff, to DepEd Municipality of Dumanjug Division, and